In this section, you will learn how to define and work with classes, the core building blocks of object-oriented programming. You'll explore class creation, instantiation, and the various member types that bring classes to life, including fields, properties, methods, constructors, and operators. You'll also discover different class types such as root, base, static, and abstract classes, and how to work with expression-bodied members and local functions. Additional topics include nested types, property accessors, reference casting, and class-specific keywords like this, required, and init.